Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the program on how to find the power of a number, any number to any power using the Java program, and we are confirming the same using the math class. Okay, let us see how the program starts. Import java util.scanner. As we are going to get the inputs, we are using the scanner object from the utility class. And then public class find power. Find power is the name of the class, and the class starts with public static void main string args. This is the regular usual form. The Java program starts with the public static void main, which is the main entry of the program, and string args, and then the braces open. Now we are creating a object called scanner to the class scanner. You can differentiate this small s and the capital S. This capital S, always the method name or the class name starts with the capital letter, and then this is the user defined name. So don't confuse this name with this name. This is the user defined name. We can keep as we wish. We can keep as S1, scan1, S2, whatever it may be, and create is equal to new scanner of system of in. That means this object scanner will be created from the scanner class, and the scanner class has both the system in and the out class. We are using the system.in class to get the scanner class. Okay, so now system.out.print, enter the base and the exponent. Actually, what is the base is, when suppose we are going to find 2 power 3, 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Okay, so now we have to get both the base number and the exponent number. So how to get the values? Using the scanner object and the next int method. Next int is the method. Int base is equal to scanner dot next int of. Okay, now base is the variable we are using to get the base number, and scanner is the object, and this dot is the member access operator, and then we are using the next int function to get the integer value. And likewise we are getting the exponent value. Int exponent is equal to scanner dot next int of. Okay, so now these two lines helps to get the value of the base as well as the exponent to calculate the power of any given number. Then now long power is equal to 1. So this is a variable power we are using and initializing the value as 1, and the type is long. Long means it can hold long lengthy values or the higher values. So you are defining using the long. Okay, and now the for loop starts for int I is equal to 1, I less than exponent I plus plus. We know that for loop consists of the initial operator, then checking condition, and the increment operator. So this for loop is going to repeat for I times till the exponent time, and power is equal to power into base. A simple formula. We are going to find out the value of the number to get the power of any number. So power is equal to power into base. Suppose if you are going to find out the power of 2, which is 2 power 5, means we have to multiply the base into power times. Okay, so you have to power, that means you have to keep on multiplying. For example, we are going to find out 2 power 3, you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2. That is what done over here. Okay, so power is equal to power into base, and this for loop repeats till it completes the value till the exponent. System.out.println result base exponent power. So that's all. This simple for loop will calculate the power value, and we are printing the answer. So the answer is result. This plus is the joining operator or the concatenation operator, and then whatever given within this double quotes will be displayed on the screen as it is. So the answer will be displayed as result of base number power exponent is equal to answer. Let us see the answer. Will find how the display pattern is defined. System.out.println using math class. We are just confirming the same result using the math class also. So math is the class where we have the POW is the method on the math class. So this math class will help to find the power of the number using this power function with the parameters base and exponent. So that's all. We have found out the value and printed the value, and we have to close the braces. So we always have to check the braces, the opened braces are closed perfectly, then only the program will work correctly. So that's all the program. So here just a recall, here we are starting the main program and we are getting the two inputs for base and exponent. We are assigning the output value as 1 because we are going to multiply the value again and again using the for loop, and then this is the simple step to find out the exponent value. And once you get the value, these two lines print the answer. First line prints the answer get from the program, and second line prints the answer that will be displayed using the math class. So that's all. Let us see the output, how the program has worked here. So enter the base and the component. So I am giving a value as base is equal to 2 and exponent is equal to 5, means the result 2 power 5 is equal to 32. You can give any base number and any exponent number, it will be calculated and the answer will be given in this format. So result is 2 power, this is the exponential operator, it is given in the quotation and then given in the quotes, and then 5 is the base, is the 2, base value is 2 and exponent value is 5, so 2 per 5 is 32. So using the math class also we got the same answer. So that's all, a simple program just using the for loop and multiplying the exponent base times to get the answer. Okay, you are multiplying the base into exponent time. For example, 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 5 power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. That is what the for loop says. That's all the logic. Hope it is easy to understand, and thanks for watching.